Hello guys, Steve here, ShinRC, and I got the Blackfoot kit here. Secret build I've been doing. I'm going to have a little video, some photos, and then I'll be at the end and I'll talk about this beauty. So let's hit it. Well guys, here she is, all done up in yellow. Take a look at it. Came out really nice. I'm afraid to run it. I may run it, but slowly, because I painted this the yellow and the body's black. One flip with this beauty, oh man, it's gonna be black scratches all through it. And I don't want that to happen because it looks so damn nice. Let me know what you guys think of the paint job. I think it came out really good. But yeah, this kit went together real easy. A couple tips in them photos, plus what I did with the shocks, I put 10 weight in the front and I put the 15 weight in the rear ones. That makes it work a lot better, more active, the suspension. I also put my ESC down on the bottom, stuck tape to this piece here to lower the center of gravity and keep the weight off the front because they want you to put it on the servo. But yeah, everything on this went together smoothly. Real nice kit. The decals a little finicky. You gotta cut them out and then just cut a little bit of the backing off the back of the sticker and then line it up where you want, tap it on, and then take the backing off and just lay them out. I got a few little wrinkles up here on the top. I think, let me see, 1, 2, because it bends so sharp and it don't conform too good. I think on this one also, right here. I got one there and one there where it has to bend sharp. Other than that, everything worked out good. The driver came out nice. I don't know if you'll be able to see them in there. I have a photo of them I put on there. I ran out of some of the skin tone, so I painted them with some tannish color paint I have, but he kind of looks like he's been dead for 6 months now. But I gotta see if I could get some skin tones and repaint them. But yeah, this thing's nice. Front suspension with the 10 weight, it's much better. The stuff they give you is kind of thick for this. And here's the rear. It reacts much faster. So when you're going over a lot of bumps, you'll see the suspension move like on my Monster Beetle videos. Same thing I did with that one. If you're going to jump this and stuff, real big jumps, you're probably better off leaving the stock fluid in there, the oil they give you in the kit. But this thing ain't really meant to beat on. It's kind of fragile with the body and stuff. The body post break all the time and stuff. And it doesn't really have too much travel, as you could see. Watch this. That's about it, guys. So it's not a good jumping, bashing truck. It just looks really good looking. And that's what it is. And it's fun. And with the stock kit motor, it's really slow too. So if you want something fast and bash the craziness out of it, this ain't the one for you. But if you want something that looks really cool looking, this is it. I didn't have a Blackfoot, I had an old Blackfoot body and I put it on one of my CC01s and one of my old videos from like 2006 or 8. If you've seen it, is a trailing videos. I had a red one and it always looked nice and I never thought of getting a Blackfoot, but after this one and painting it up, a really good looking truck. I highly recommend it, guys. And like I said, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to go slow because I don't want to flip this beauty. I'll probably just cruise it and maybe get another body, maybe a Lexan one, so I could drive it a little harder. Because this came out super, super nice and I just don't want to scratch it and have all the black showing through it. It'll look nasty. This is cool looking. Nice truck here. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you like it, let me know in the comments what you think of the paint job. I appreciate all you guys watching. You'll see this probably running in the future, but slow like a snail. Don't expect no tricks. Thanks guys for watching. Please leave me a thumbs up. If you're new watching, hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you next time guys. Shen RC. Enjoy this beauty. I know I will.